Hi, I'm Marina and it's great to see you. Today I will be showing you some of my favorite can't live without products. If you'd like to see what they are, keep on watching. I'll be starting off with hair products. Now, I have a little issue where whenever I get stressed out, I would see literal long strands of my hair falling out. Now, this is not to say there was breakage and you're seeing a piece here, piece there. It's full-on strands of my hair. And I have been looking for something to help me with it, and I have found that, which is the Pure Organics Growth Serum. It's produced locally here in Trinidad and it is amazing. It literally has been doing for me what it said it would. I have been experiencing less fallout, which is one of the claims here. I don't see full strands of my hair all over my house anymore. And it smells good. It is a treatment that you use in your hair twice a week. It's not something you use every day. So any of you experiencing any issues with hair, like your hair taking a long time to grow or hair loss, this may be the product for you. It has been working for me. Is my hair exactly where I want it to be? No. Do I definitely right about now need to touch up my quarantine roots and need a keratin very badly? Yes, most definitely. But is my hair significantly healthier than it's been in the past? Yes. Am I losing less hair? Definitely. And is my hair growing better and thicker? Yes, certainly. The next product is this, the Icon K Shift Detoxifying Treatment. It is excellent for your scalp. We all know sometimes with all the hair product there may be a little buildup in your scalp, and this gets rid of it for you. It also helps if you have a dry scalp issue. My husband tends to get little reactions depending on if he's using a product that may be a little too strong for his hair because he has a sensitive scalp, and this clears it up right away. It's a treatment that you put into your scalp right before you wash it, and maybe you have a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, something, let it work for a bit, and then you wash your hair out. And it feels tingly, amazing. It feels very much like mint on your head. The next thing that I cannot live without for my hair is this. It's the Scunci Dent-Free Ponytail Holder. This is amazing. It comes in a pack of 12. Clearly I've been using from this one, and it's the perfect thing for your hair, especially if you have just washed and taken your time to blow dry and flatten it, seeing as no one can go anywhere right now. These are perfect for not leaving dents. I'll put it in my hair right now to show you. So this is what my hair looks like currently without the ponytail holder. Now I'll be putting it in. So that's a pretty decent hold right there.
11 minutes later.
So guys, it's been a few minutes since I've had this in my hair, and I will gently remove it now. And as you can see, no dents, no lines, no marks. My hair is as straight as it was before. Now from hair care going into skin care, one thing that I cannot do without is this. The Biore charcoal nose strips. They are amazing. I'm always very, very disgusted when I see what they look like after I use them, but they work amazingly to unclog your pores, and especially right now where I cannot see my esthetician, this has been really helping me with my skincare routine. I love the charcoal more than the regular one because it does help with oiliness. I do see a difference after I use it, and I recommend this to anyone. Now, just like many other people, I haven't been getting much sun recently because I haven't been leaving home. We're under strict instructions, to minimize time outside, stay-at-home order, all of that, due to this whole situation. But when I do come out, I never leave my house without wearing the Vivant SPF for skin. I use it on my face. It's a daily treatment and it has an SPF of 15. Now it is a daily use moisturizer, and what I love about this is even if you are sensitive to SPF, it doesn't break you out, it's not too strong. However, it does protect your skin and offer you the sun protection you need. My other product that I can't do without is for neck care. Now we all know the neck shows aging before many other places in the body. The skin here is very delicate, very sensitive, and this Dr. Brandt neck sculpting cream, it is it. I completely am in love with it, and I also love the fact that it comes with a rose quartz wash. So you can massage your neck, your jawline and everything and get it tightened with the combination of the wash and the cream. The cream is thick, you can feel the difference. I started using this before my wedding and I saw a huge difference, and my neck and jawline were very much wedding photo ready, especially the neck area here. I saw a huge difference. We all have this habit of looking down way more because we're always on our phones and our screens, and that does increase lines across the neck. And since using this, I have seen a significant decrease in the visibility of any lines across my neck. One product I have to mention with regards to body is body scrub. I have been using it a lot more than usual now on my hands in particular, because I'm sure just like many other people, I've been experiencing very dry hands because of excessive hand washing and hand sanitizing because of what's going on now. Now, I always washed my hands and always moisturized, but as of recent, like I said, I've been washing it excessively and more obsessively than before. And what's been helping me with not just that, but keeping my skin overall on my body very moisturized and smooth is this, the Cedrus Bay Coffee Scrub. I love, and I'm so hardcore addicted to this. It moisturizes and smooths my skin. It also has this amazing earthy coffee smell. It is the best body scrub I have used in a while. This product is available nationwide, of course, in Pennywise and in Starlight pharmacies. I completely love this product and I would recommend it to anyone. It's something that I can't do without. From the moment I see it's like halfway done, I'm like, I need to get a new one. I love it, can't live without it. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today to see what products I absolutely can't live without. And we actually have a new portion of my videos now. I've always wanted to find a way to combine two of my greatest passions in life, which are dance and makeup. I'll be back in one moment with the belly dance move of the day. So guys, from now on, every video will be featuring one belly dance move. Before you try this or any other type of dance, ensure that you are always very warmed up. So for me, getting into position, posturing, arms out, in second position. And today we'll be doing over 8s. You use your oblique on the right side, pull the hip into the body, then push it out to the right, bring it around and under and back to center. Trying it now on the left side. Use your left oblique, pull, lift that hip into the body, begin to release and push it out to the left side, bring it down, around, back to center. Combining the two moves is how you get an ovary, and it looks like this. Ensure your moves are fluid, smooth. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Marina Mermaid Princess, on Twitter at Marina Louis2, and now on TikTok at marina.lcan. See you next time. Bye.